Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sharmin. Today I'm going to show you one experiment with grade 4. This is a science experiment. Okay, so let's get started. So what happens when you mix vinegar and baking soda? Have you ever wondered? What happens when you mix vinegar and baking soda? Why do vinegar and baking soda react the way they do? What types of substance are baking soda and vinegar? So let's find out the question answer. Take baking soda and vinegar for example. Mixing those two ingredients will get you a reaction, but it won't taste good. In the right amounts and containers, the mixture can even be downright explosive, right? Baking soda and vinegar react chemically because one is a base and the other is an acid. Baking soda is a basic compound called sodium bicarbonate. Vinegar is a diluted solution that contains acetic acid. The baking soda and vinegar reaction is actually two separate reactions. The first reaction is the acid-base reaction. Okay. When vinegar and baking soda are first mixed together, hydrogen ions in the vinegar react with the sodium and bicarbonate ions in the baking soda. The result of this initial reaction is two new chemicals, carbonic acid and sodium acetate. Okay. The second reaction is a decomposition reaction. The carbonic acid formed as a result of the first reaction immediately begins to decompose into water and carbon dioxide gas. Okay. So this creates the bubbles and foam you see when you mix baking soda and vinegar. So guys, I hope that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friend. If you need more class, go to my website www.sharminjahan.simplesite.com. That's all. Thank you very much.